Namaste, hello, and welcome back. Today I'm going to make a terracotta clay planter. I am taking a small clay ball and I'll roll it up nice. I'm going to use the pinching method. To make a pinch pot, I'll push the clay in the center using my thumb, and then slowly and gradually I'll continue to move around and pinch the clay until I'm satisfied with the thickness and shape. Pinching method is the easiest of the hand building methods or techniques in pottery. Now, this particular clay that I'm working with tends to dry fast, and therefore I need to work a bit faster with it. Because I have an idea of what I'm going to make, I guess it's going to be alright for me. But yeah, you gotta keep that in mind as well. Apart from the nature of the clay, factors like the day's weather, your body temperature, etc. also affects it. Like this day was a bit warm, and as you can see, the clay is already drying and cracking in places even while I'm working on it. But for that, I will lightly wipe the clay with damp sponge and also keep my hands and fingers moist accordingly. I will continue to smooth out any cracks that are forming so that they don't deepen or harden before I have achieved the desired shape for my planter. Okay, the basic shape looks fine to me. So I will next make the feet for the tortoise. I will take smaller lumps of clay for this and make a basic shape for the feet for now. I will add the details later on with the clay tools. To attach the pieces, I'll have to score and slip. Now, if you're familiar with pottery, uh, you might already know. If not, then to score is to make some crisscross scratches using a sharp tool. I'm using a toothpick here, and then joining and sealing it with slip. Slip is nothing but liquid clay with a thick, creamy consistency. Basically, it acts like a glue. So slip will seep into the gaps that we made with scoring and help fuse the two pieces strongly to each other. Further, I'll use the blunt clay tool, the blunt end of the clay tool, to smooth and even out the joint. This will also ensure that the pieces attach firmly to each other and not hang loose. I usually even out the clay with fingers as I know and feel the pressure that I'm applying, and therefore I think I can control it better. I'll also add the head and tail for the tortoise in the same way, and then fix them later with score and slip. I'm going to do one extra step while attaching the slightly bigger or heavier parts to ensure they are fused super strong to the body. For that, I will roll a small but kind of long piece of clay that will look something like a rope or a wire and cover the joint with it. And then, using the blunt end of the tool, I will smudge and smoothen it nicely. This way, the pieces will be fused together quite strongly. After attaching the feet, head, and tail securely and smoothing the joints and overall surface, finally I will add the eyes. Again, I will only attach the shape for the eye for now and carve the details later, as using the tools would need the clay to dry a bit, and as of now it's quite soft. I added little details on the face and the feet and let the planter air dry for a few weeks before getting it bisque fired at the pottery studio, which lets me use their kiln. Here's how the planter looks upon firing. I am happy with how it has turned out. I had something in mind. It's not quite what I thought, how I thought it to be, but I am actually happy with this outcome as well. What do you think? Let me know. If you are still here, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.